All right, guys, how you doing today? So I was having a thought today. I called to the company. Sorry, I was at work in the lunchroom, and this is the only piece of paper that I had was a paper bowl to write down some parts and prices on it. But to get the gearing for the locker rear end. I'm sorry, lost train of thought. Somebody called. Anyhow, wait a minute. Before we even go this far, today's September 11th, so let's just take a moment of silence to honor those Americans that we lost. All right. So what I'm gonna do, I gotta go down to my sister-in-law's to help her move a bed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Tacoma down. It's got the open differential in it still. There's an area that sometimes gets a little bit muddy. I don't know if it's going to be muddy right now, but I'm going to take it through it, see if we have any difficulties. I'm going to leave the truck in two-wheel drive unless I start to get stuck, so that once I get the differential, the E-locker diff in, I'm going to try to kind of do it at the same time. I'm going to try to do it with the same conditions, not like we haven't had rain in a while. So hopefully that I can get that done. It'll be close to the same conditions, and that way. What in the world? Michelle's outside that garage door making a bunch of noise. So I want to get that. I'm hoping to have the same conditions, and I'll leave it in two-wheel drive and just lock the rear end. I'm wiring it up by myself, so I won't have to go into four low in order to. Sorry, I'm grabbing my stuff for the GoPro. I won't have to have it in four-wheel drive in order to lock the rear end. So let me get this stuff all figured out, put together, and we will be heading down to my father-in-law's property. Talk to you when we get down there.
It's like not level whatsoever.
So we're down at my sister-in-law / father-in-law's house. She's a beautiful woman, single. You're what, Scorpio? I'm kidding. But we brought Steve's Bruce down through here. So all I want to do is give you guys an idea, do a little comparison. See if we do start to get stuck in two-wheel drive, we can toss her in four-wheel drive. But just want to get an idea of what the rear end locker is going to be. But this island over here is actually an island. It's owned by my father-in-law, so we're going to go down through here. We'll give it a try. I don't know. Hopefully it turns out as a good video. Maybe I'll start to get a little bit stuck. Maybe not. Who knows? We'll get back with you. It was on it when I bought it like that.
Oh, and look where it is.
Oh no. No, she's still recording. Let's slobber on it this time.
Suzette's so excited. There went the GoPro.
GoPros are pretty daggone stout.
Looks like we lost a little bit of a marker light there.
Alright, so as you've seen, we got a little bit stuck. Had to put it into four-wheel drive, going over and then coming back also. And we got a little bit of a durability test for the GoPro. It got runned over. I want to see the footage of that. Hopefully it's sticking up and you see the tire, not just the ground. That'd be kind of cool. So, get home. Well, I'll take her to run her bed wherever she's got to go. And, yeah, we'll get this edited up and sent to you guys. And hopefully it works out good. Alright guys, so as you can see, we got our basis on what the Tacoma did in two-wheel drive with the open rear. And so that was what I was going after. I was hoping that at some point I did have to put it in four-wheel drive so that I could see the just one wheel spinning, you know what I mean, with the open diff. So hopefully in a couple weeks when I get this rear end in, I have very similar conditions as far as the mud and everything like that, and we can go do the same exact test but with the rear end locked in and see how much better the truck performs with the rear locked. So hey guys, I hope you liked the content, and if you did, hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe. And another thing I wanted to say, hey, I just realized today that I'm knocking on the door of 500 subscribers. Thanks a lot, guys. That means a lot to me. I really appreciate the positive feedback and comments and everything that I've been getting from everybody. So kudos to you guys, and hey man, we'll get after doing some more projects and everything like that, and enjoying the projects that we've already done. So hey guys, have a good night, and we'll get to you sooner. I don't know what the next upload is going to be, but I'll figure it out and I'll get it up to you guys. Have a good night.